Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone CAMON 35G with classic zoom ring design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.78 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 87.5% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50-megapixel wide-angle camera with optical image stabilization support, along with 2-megapixel depth camera, and with AI camera. For selfies it has 50-megapixel wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole on the screen, video recording maximum 2K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, paired with IMGB XM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of RAM, with 8GB, 12GB extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.37 by 75.93 by 7.83, 7.98 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. And the color options: Iceland Basaltic Dark, Uyuni Salt White, Emerald Lake Green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 70-watt ultra fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO CAMON 35G has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 11,999 Philippine peso, while the 8GB plus 512GB storage variant at 13,999 Philippine peso, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant expected at 73,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO CAMON 35G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.